Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when I post videos. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. And welcome to the Doyle Estate. Well, today is April 17th. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm just tired of staying home. And what's going on? Well, my left hip is really acting up really bad. And when I put some pressure on it when I'm walking, I get really starting to feel it now. And I don't want to use the cane, but I'm probably going to have to go back to using the cane again until I can get my left hip out. And so we got an appointment coming up on the 15th of May, and I almost said February. You don't want to go backwards. We're going forwards. And we're going to have the new doctor take a look at it, and hope so they can get a surgery date. We're going to have it out down in Worcester. I'm not going to Boston this time. So let me flip the camera around. It's beautiful, nice and peaceful here. Now I'm sitting down on a bench over here. This is one of my favorite places that I go walking. You can sit over there in that area over there where that willow tree is. There's a couple of people over there walking behind me. And they usually have tables there. They'll put tables out there later on in the spring, probably in a week or two. And this is beautiful, isn't it? This is a little frog pond. There's frogs here. You can hear them chirping, birds chirping, and you can see that big tree over there, the reflection in the water over there, that the leaves are starting to come back, and that's a good sign. And so we're not giving up the journey. We're not even slowing down on the journey. We're just moving ahead forward, taking one day as God gives it to me, and taking one day in hope at a time. Hope one day is going to be better than the next day. And I would certainly suggest that. I mean, and today, right now, you see a lot of stuff going on, and a lot of stuff isn't even getting reported. And I'm getting frustrated, and if you know what I'm talking about, I'm sure you are too. But I keep telling everybody, just hang in there. Once one day closer to everything is going to be going down the pike pretty soon. And if you know what I'm talking about, I think you can figure it out. And if you're not sure, just text yes right below on the show more. Ron, can you explain to me more what you're talking about, and I'll give you some links for the information that you need to be following right now. But the most important person you need to be following to right now is yourself and God, and just believe in everything's going to be fine, and it will. And I truly believe that. But today's all about purpose in life, and we all have purpose in life. And no matter how much struggling you're going through right now, no matter how much financially, relationship, alcohol, a drug problem right now, food addiction, depression. Guys, there's so much out there right now. I'm no different than anybody else. I may not have a lot of that stuff, but I definitely have depression right now. And it's set in really well this past couple of months. And I'm definitely back on track. I try to get out there when I can, and I go walking. It's like yesterday, it was pouring out all day, so we didn't do too much yesterday. But today it was a nice day. I had to go to Fitchburg to get some paperwork from the Social Security, and that was about a 2-hour wait up there. That wasn't too bad. I've been there before, and sometimes I was there like 4 hours waiting to just get a couple of pieces of paper that I needed for rent verification. But we got, wife and I did that, and I got to turn that paperwork into the office this week as soon as I finish filling out the information that she's looking for. And I suspect my rent will be going up again, but it is what it is right now. Everything's so crazy right now in pricing, and I just everything's getting to a point where nobody's going to be able to afford to buy anything, and I ain't going to be able to be living on the street if it keeps going up the way it's going. But I doubt that'll happen. But you never really know in today's day and age. But I just wanted to just focus on staying positive, do the best you can, and just take one day at a time, take 1 pound at a time. Just remember, we didn't put the weight on all in one day. It is going to take longer than one day to take it off. I've been dealing with weight and health issues for a long time, and I'm no different than anybody else. And I'm taking a one day at a time approach. So please, listen to my advice. And, if you live locally and you want to come walk into some of these great places, I'll be more than happy to, and I'm also looking to, break away from the city there when I can. The problem is I don't want to go too far alone there in case I run into issues with my leg right now. But we're definitely having that out as soon as I can get an appointment date, and then the rehab, and then then I should be good to go, hopefully. But anyways, I'm gonna take some photographs, put in a little more video. But it is really cool. Comment on the video, let me know what you think. But if you'd like to see more of these little videos of actually when I'm on location instead of me in the house all the time, let me know. But this is an absolutely favorite place. Now, there was a mayor in Leominster called Bernard Doyle back in his time frame that actually owned this property, and this was donated to the city of Leominster, and he served for the mayor for a while, and he left this with the trustees, and the trustees take care of the property. They made a couple of movies over here. They made a movie over here last year. So I'm going to kill the video. Remember, you guys are amazing. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day, guys.